So yeah, this is another road trip, and the views we managed to get on this 3-hour drive to our destination, they were kind of amazing, to be honest. Yeah, you guessed it. A place that gets travelers worked up. Yeah, that's right. Worked up because it is the biggest waterfall in North Africa. I know, it's a sight for sore eyes. Hopefully your eyes aren't dry. We've got a lot of water here, so yeah. Imagine we were getting Arabic lessons too. Reminded me of my Sundays. But yeah, we learned some Berber language. So of course, we got the opportunity to have a boat ride, get really close to the waterfall. Right now we're in front of this waterfall. I don't know if you can see it properly, but it's a crazy waterfall. You probably can't hear me, so there's going to be some subtitles, but like right now it's mad. In front of the gates to Wano, and yeah, biggest in North Africa, and yeah, it's crazy. That's all I can say. Yeah, look at it. It's raining, and I'm wet right now. Pause. And yeah, we're at the end of our boat ride now. Yeah, this is the view, and it's crazy, man. It's a mad view, man. Anyway, we need to go right now. Well, it's gonna be slippery, but look at it. I'm in front of this waterfall. You're stuck now. Okay, so right now we've just seen the waterfall, we've done our boat ride, we're just having a nice meal, we've got food here, we've got a nice view. Yeah, the food was alright, but yeah, the real entertainment was what you're gonna see now. This is my new pet. My new guy is my new friend. Me and him, we roam the streets. That's what I can say. As you can see, look at him. I'm right next to it. There's loads of monkeys as well. Can you just look? If you put a pan over there, you can see loads of monkeys just like chilling. They're all coming towards us. And yeah, that ends our little Arabian tour around the best waterfalls I've probably ever seen on this planet. But yeah, now we're back to Marrakesh. Alright, so right now we've just finished our hike, our day trip, and it's raining quite a bit, so right now we're just getting some cover. We're just gonna have some pizza, and then we'll see what we get up to afterwards, but yeah, that's it. So, today's our last day in Morocco. Today we're just gonna go to Jama'ah. We are gonna probably eat, we're probably gonna shop, and that's about it, to be honest. I mean, to be honest, our Morocco trip was amazing. We literally did it last second. We got really lucky with the football match being played. We got amazing day trips. The weather wasn't too bad as well. Morocco and Marrakesh in December is, it's not that bad. People were saying that it's going to be really cold. Not really, just make sure you bring like a shirt or like a jumper, like a hoodie, and you'll be fine, to be honest, because it's quite warm in the daytime, it's about 20 degrees. Don't know what that is in Celsius or Fahrenheit. At night time it gets a bit colder, but to be honest, you'll have like heating in your hotel or Riyadh or whatever. I recommend staying in Riyadh for sure. Food is cheap. All in all, I don't think we spent more than like 300 to 350 pounds, and we've got spending money, so we've got shopping money, so I think it'll be sick, and I think we've got enough. And yeah, I recommend Morocco and Marrakesh to everyone, so yeah. And we'll see how it goes.
I'm on the model for the area.
Ignore what my brother said, and the thobe was like £7, so yeah, cheap. So right now we're getting thobes. It's like sunna to wear it to prayer, and yeah, I'm just looking for thobes, and came to a nice shop. The guy is readjusting it right now, as you can see, but yeah, it's Jummah today, so I'm gonna wear it today, and yeah, I got the thobe. Yeah, so I think I'm looking good, mashallah. I think this is a nice thobe. Yeah, if the cameraman thinks I'm looking good, he's gonna nod right now. But yeah, I'm looking good. A random cat just climbing trees. So we had the choice between Bahia Palace and the Secret Gardens, and I'm kind of glad we went to Bahia Palace because the architecture was really nice. There was a nice aesthetic to them, and yeah. So right now, we're in Jamal, and it's not as lit as it was on the day when we watched the match. But yeah, right now it's the end of it. We're going to chill here, maybe go to the souk, maybe get some stuff there. Yeah, I mean, I'll show you some stuff if I can in the souk. And apart from that, the next clip might be in the airport. The Jamal, no? Same cat, same. But yeah, Morocco was lovely, and really enjoyed my time there, even though it was brief. I'm gonna let past me sign off, but yeah, in a bit. Alright, so yeah, that's it for our time in Morocco and Marrakesh, and hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you enjoyed all the clips, all the footage. Hopefully I was able to encapsulate what Morocco and Marrakesh is like. I think I got quite lucky with the timing I went, and yeah, the weather might not have been the best, but it was good enough. I mean, considering we're in December, I think it was great. And yeah, make sure to subscribe for more travel content and films and stuff like that. And yeah, my flight's right now, so I need to go. But yeah, in a bit. My bag's in. In a bit.